Welcome to today's video, where we dive into the wonderful world of honey. Get ready to be amazed by 40 incredible facts about this sweet substance that most of us take for granted. Stick around till the end because the last fact is sure to blow your mind.
Did you know that honey never spoils? Archaeologists have found pots of honey in ancient Egyptian tombs that are over 3,000 years old and still perfectly edible.
Honey is made by bees through a process called regurgitation. They collect nectar from flowers, ingest it, and then transform it in their stomachs before passing it to other bees. There are over 300 different types of honey, each varying in flavor, color, and aroma depending on the flowers visited by the bees.
Honey has been used as a natural medicine for thousands of years. It contains antioxidants and has antibacterial properties, making it great for treating wounds.
Bees are essential pollinators, and 1/3 of the food we eat relies on their pollination. Without them, our food supply would be drastically reduced.
The world's largest honey-producing country is China, followed closely by the United States. They are responsible for a significant portion of the global honey supply.
Honey can last indefinitely due to its low moisture content and acidic pH, which inhibits the growth of bacteria. A single bee produces only about 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey in its lifetime. It takes about 2 million flowers for a bee to make just 1 pound of honey.
Honey can be classified into two categories: raw honey and processed honey. Raw honey contains natural enzymes and benefits that may be lost during processing. Honey has a unique ability to attract moisture, which allows it to be an excellent natural humectant for the skin. The color of honey can range from almost colorless to dark brown, depending on which flowers the bees have collected nectar from. Creamed honey, or whipped honey, is a spreadable form of honey that is achieved by a process of controlled crystallization.
In some cultures, honey is considered a symbol of prosperity and good fortune. In fact, honey is often used in rituals and ceremonies worldwide.
Honey also has a high level of fructose, which makes it sweeter than table sugar, allowing you to use less to achieve the same level of sweetness.
The ancient Greeks and Romans believed that honey had magical and healing properties. It was often offered to the gods in rituals.
Honey bee colonies can consist of up to 80,000 bees, all working together under a queen bee.
Honey plays a key role in the diet of various cultures. It is often used in cooking, baking, and beverages like mead. Do you know that honey never goes bad? It has been discovered in pyramids and tombs for thousands of years and is still safe to eat. Just like wine, the flavor of honey depends on the flower sources. It can taste wildly different based on the region and the time of year.
Honey has been known to soothe sore throats and suppress coughs, making it a popular remedy during cold season. Bees communicate with each other through waggle dances, which helps them inform hive mates about the location of food sources.
In ancient Egypt, honey was used as a form of currency and as an offering to the gods.
Honey can enhance the flavors of food and is often used as a natural sweetener in recipes ranging from baked goods to salad dressings.
Some people experience an allergic reaction to honey due to pollen contained within, but this is relatively rare.
Honey has natural preservative qualities, which makes it an effective ingredient for food preservation.
Certain types of honey, like Manuka honey from New Zealand, are highly sought after for their medicinal properties.
In addition to its sweetness, honey contains several vitamins and minerals, including B vitamins, vitamin C, and minerals like calcium. The taste and quality of honey can vary significantly based on its source, storage, and ripening process. Raw honey can be found in its most natural state and may contain bee pollen, propolis, and even small amounts of beeswax. Honey is not suitable for infants under 1 year old, as it can contain spores that cause botulism. The term honey is often used in metaphorical language. In literature, honey symbolizes sweetness, love, and pleasure.
Honey was regarded as a food of the gods in many ancient cultures, including Greek and Indian civilizations.
You can actually use honey to make a natural face mask that helps moisturize and nourish your skin.
The world record for the largest honeycomb was set in 2023, with a massive honeycomb containing over 2,500 pounds of honey. In terms of calories, honey is about the same as sugar, but its rich flavor means you can often use less of it to achieve similar sweetness.
Honey plays a significant role in many cultures' traditional medicines, often prescribed for its potential health benefits.
The field of apitherapy encompasses using honey and other bee products for therapeutic purposes, including treating various ailments.
And here comes the mind-blowing conclusion. Bees have existed for around 100 million years, and they are the only insect that produces food eaten by man. Isn't that incredible?